India's energy trade with Russia is once again under the global spotlight. According to the Helsinki based Center for Research on Energy and Clean Air, India imported 2.9 billion euros worth of Russian crude in August, nearly matching China's 3.1 billion euros. While India's crude imports rose from 2.7 billion euros in July, China's fell sharply from 4.1 billion euros. This makes New Delhi the second biggest buyer of Russian crude after Beijing. But Washington isn't happy. The US has been pressuring India to cut oil purchases, arguing that they indirectly finance Moscow's war in Ukraine. In fact, starting August 27, the US imposed a 25% additional tariff on several Indian exports as a penalty, a move it has not applied to China, the EU, or Turkey, despite their much larger Russian energy imports. On Tuesday, President Donald Trump went further, urging the European Union to slap tariffs of up to 100% on Indian and Chinese goods to force both countries to scale down their Russian energy trade. In August, China remained the largest overall buyer of Russian fossil fuels at 5.7 billion euros, followed by India at 3.6 billion euros, Turkey at 3 billion euros, and the EU at 1.2 billion euros. India, however, has pushed back strongly, saying it is unfair to single out New Delhi when major economies continue buying Russian oil and gas. The US itself has not banned Russian oil imports directly, but instead imposed a price cap mechanism. For India, the message is clear: energy security first, even as geopolitical pressure mounts.